hybrid and online teacher training course at Craven Community College. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to add URLs to your Moodle course. The URL resource enables you to provide a web link in your course. I typically like to start by going out to the website that I want to copy the URL from. I put my cursor in the address bar and do Control-C to copy. I could right-click and copy if I'm more comfortable with that. And then returning back to Moodle, I'm going to scroll down to the section where I want to add the URL or the web link. I will add an activity or resource, and down at the very last choice is URL. I will add. I'm going to give it a name. This is Craven CC Online. And I'm going to paste by Control-V or right-click paste and paste that into the external URL area. Now, the appearance is important on web links. I prefer to have them open in a pop-up, but I will show you the other way as well. And now I'm going to save and return to course. And we can see that the link for Craven CC Online appears here. This time I'm going to add Craven CC Online again by adding an activity, selecting URL and add. And this will be Craven CC Online number 2. And I'm going to paste my URL in there once again. This time though, I'm going to have it open up. I'm just going to have it open up automatic so that we can see the difference in the two ways. And I'm going to save and return to course. So now I have my two links. Let's see how they open. The first one was opening in a pop-up, which opens it up in a new window and takes me right to the site that I wanted to visit. The second one opens this way and it covers the Moodle screen and then offers me the link where I can open the resource. The difference is too here is if I X out, it's going to take me all the way out of Moodle. It won't return me to my Moodle course. I'm going to have to hit the back button. So that is one of the main reasons that I prefer to open my link in a new window, is because then if students X out, first of all, they have control because it's in a new window and they can move it around and make it bigger. And the other thing is if they X out, they're still back in their Moodle course. But on this one, if they select it and open up the link and they X out, it takes them back to Craven CC Online and then knocks them out of their course. So I always prefer when I can to open items in a new window. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of adding a URL in Moodle. See you next time.